Another basic command in SQL is delete. Delete, as the name suggests, allows you to delete record or records. Before we get into writing delete statement, let's go ahead and insert a record that we will delete. Go ahead and write an insert statement to insert one value into an actor table. Insert into actor ID, first name, last update, values. This time we're putting 202, Anil Batra, and the date. Execute it. Now we want to make sure this value was successfully entered. There are two ways to verify that. One of them is to write a select statement using actor ID or any other column or combination of columns to see if that record was successfully entered. Second is, as you do insert statements, if you remember from the lecture about interface for MySQL, there is an output section that shows you whether the command was successful or not. Depending on your environment, which is MySQL or SQL Server or Oracle, this output shows up in different places. However, I want you to practice select statement. So go ahead and write a select statement using actor ID as 202 in your where clause. So select star from actor where actor ID 202. Go ahead and execute it. You see that record exists. 202, Anil Batra, and last update. Now we'll go ahead and delete this record. Command is simple. Delete the action you want to take from actor, which table you want to execute this against, and when do you want to execute when this condition exists, where actor ID is 202. Delete from actor where actor ID is equal to 2. Just like select statement, this where clause can be as complicated as you need it to be. This helps identify which record it's going to take action on. This is the action and what table it needs to take the action against. So delete from actor where actor ID is equal to 202. Go ahead and execute it. It's deleted. How do we know? You can look at the action, or you can go ahead and run this SQL command again. This time it comes back with null. So the record is deleted. One word of caution. Delete deletes the record, so it won't exist anymore. If you are not confident about your delete statement, work with somebody who knows how to write delete statement till you are comfortable. In your test databases, you can play all day long. But if the database is also used by others in your organization, you have to be careful. Generally, your DBA, database administrator, won't give you access to the delete command because they know how dangerous it can be. If not used properly, it can wipe out the whole tables or database. For example, if you had just written this, delete from actor, and execute it, this will wipe out the whole actor table. That's why qualifying it properly is the key. I suggest you do a select statement with your proper where clause, the same where clause that you'll be using in delete, to make sure the records that it's returning are the ones you want to delete.